My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for deciding to drop by. If you are returning, thank you for choosing to come and check us out yet again. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, today's video, we are going to talk about what's in the April Allure box. This one right now, last month's box, which I'll go ahead and link in an iCard above, that one was all about the skincare. Amazing. This one is all about the makeup. And it was co-curated with Carli Bybel. So, let's just jump right in and I'll let you know exactly what is in the box that she has chosen as some of her favorite products and also some variation items that you could get as well. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Allure, come out from under the rock. I'm just joking. That was me. Let me just tell you, this box is $15 per month, and the products have been amazing. Let me let you in on a little secret. The product that made me become a part of the Allure family, you can get it in this box as a variation item. So just watch for it, okay? Hopefully you'll get that one. If not, eventually you will. I hope. Okay, now the first item that is in the April box, one of Carli Bybel's favorites, she said, is a Natasha Denona Mono eyeshadow. We're going to actually get a full size of this eyeshadow. I'm not going to say a whole lot. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about what those products are. However, just know that they are cruelty-free. They are not tested on animals. None of the products that I show you on today. That'll be about all I tell you about individual details. Okay? Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price on that eyeshadow is $27. And as I stated, we will be getting a full size. The next one is the Vita Liberata. I'm not even sure if I'm saying this right because this is not something that I have ever gravitated to. Why? Because this is an organic tan infused cloth. I'm sorry, but I'm not in need of the tanning thing right now. So, if I pronounced it incorrectly, my apologies. Now, this one, we will be getting 2 cloves. I'll probably pass it over to my daughter-in-law, but nonetheless, we will be getting 2 cloths in this box. It comes in packages of 8 and 16. The 8 is $25 and the 16 is $39. Then another one of her favorite products, because she loves eyeshadow, but she said she loves a multiple use brush. And so the brush that she chose to go in this box is the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. The manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $12. Now, there are brush variations. You could receive a motor brush, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on that one was somewhere between $18 and $20. Or you could receive the Morphe M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $7. Now, the next product is the Laura incredible gel eyeliner pencil. Now, I'm such a fan, and I haven't even tried it yet, because she really looked out for us with this particular eyeliner pencil. You do not have to run around looking for a sharpener. Why? Because it's built into the cap. Thank you so very much. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $22. Some people may say, I'll just go ahead and get me a pencil sharpener. However, the convenience of it all is amazing, because this one you can just throw into your makeup bag and you do not have to be concerned. It will always have a sharpened tip. Then her other product that Carli Bybel says is her absolute favorite, and she believes this is the best color that Anastasia Beverly Hills ever came out with, and that would be a liquid lipstick in the color Pure Hollywood. Manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $20. Then the final product would be the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Conditioning Spray, or it could be the cream or the milk. Either way, the manufacturer suggested retail price for either of those three could be between $20 and $24. Now, in addition to that, the new subscriber gift this month, and in that same video that I linked across the top, it tells you about this one as well. It's the Mandy eyeshadow stick, and this thing is gorgeous. I have this already. I love it, love it, love it, love it, because I used it to do my eyes. Why? Because it's an eyeshadow, and just the one is all I needed. And I took my brush and I kind of feathered it out around the edges, so it looked gorgeous. So that one will be one of the new subscriber gifts. So this is a great month to decide to try the Allure Beauty Box. Now, if you try it and you say, maybe this is not for me, I'm going to tell you right now, which is what I did, because I told you, my subscribers and watchers, that I did this for the Juvia's Place palette. However, they pulled a Godfather move. They pulled a Godfather mode on me. I'm just telling you the truth. And they gave me an offer that I could not refuse. And I'm really, really glad that I stuck with it. The skincare has been amazing. And one of the products, I have already used it, and I'm going to continue to use it in addition to the skincare line that I am so totally loyal to. I am going to use this product to see what a difference it makes, and I'm going to come back and let you know. So, I do hope that I have given you some information to think about. I'm also hoping that I have given you a box that you will consider a subscription. Let me just show you the pouch that the products come in now. Once you open the boxes, you get a pouch that looks like this. Now, in all honesty, I'm a couponaholic. And so coupons fit great in this. However, I have also noticed that this makes for a great makeup bag as well, depending on the size of the purse that you are carrying. So, it's multi-uses after, you receive all of your products. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. And by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.